About this item compatibility, the tempered glass screen protector and camera lens protector are fully compatible only with iPhone 14 Pro Max 6.7. Note, this product was not designed for the iPhone 14 6.1/iPhone 14 Plus 6.7/iPhone 14 Pro 6.1 and other model. Ultra HD design, the surface of the protective screen is treated with a coating, which is very smooth, effectively reduce fingerprints from sweat and grease, making the screen very easy to clean. 99.99% optical grade light transmittance, enhancing the visibility of the screen. Ultra thin and curved design, glass shield made of 0.33mm 9H hardness tempered glass, maintaining 99.99% response sensitivity and touch, ensures quick app launch, smooth games and video playing. QHOHQ glass protection will bringing you a new perfect touch experience. Protector de Panthala 2.5D rounded corner design, the edge feels smooth and never scratches. ROHS environmental and SGS drop test certification. QHOHQ tempered glass and camera cover with 9H hardness tested, SGS certified screen protector can withstand a 6-foot drop without damaging your phone screen and reach 99.99% light